We continue our look at the candidates vying to replace Central Kingston MP Ronald Thwaites in the upcoming People's National Party runoff in the constituency. Former West Rural St. Andrew MP Paul Buchanan is among the five. We have more from TVJ's DWAYNE Anderson.
In another 3 days, the PNP delegates of Kingston Central will decide who of the 5 candidates will represent the party in the constituency. And as expected, all the candidates, including Paul Buchanan, are confident of victory. But Mr. Buchanan feels things could have been so different for him in Kingston Central, but he decided to put the party first over personal ambition.
I've been on the cusp of victory against Ronald Thwaites for the selection for chairman. Last year I was asked to pull by the party. We did not want to go into a by-election. Was the rationale. As a good comrade I pulled. Somehow we are in another cycle where somehow there is new candidates and a new selection. I was not aware, but I nominated at the last minute. So my campaign started a week and a half ago. And it has been 10 days of glory. The people have been coming. My chances are as good as any one of them. In fact, I think I'm going to win.
But why should the people of Kingston Central accept Paul Buchanan? After all, he was rejected in his last seat in St. Andrew West Rural when he was soundly beaten by the JLP's Juliet Cuthbert. Mr. Buchanan insists his time in St. Andrew West Rural was not a failure. For him, the JLP's election promises buoyed his challenger.
West Rural looked better when I left it than when I came there. Just go to Red Hills and just go straight to Rock Hall and you will see my work. You'll see schools. You'll see IT centers. You will see all of those things. I can do no more.
Mr. Buchanan says if successful, he will explore a multi-billion-dollar bond issue to fund his development plans for the poor housing and other infrastructural problems in Kingston Central. Imani Duncan Price, Raymond Price, Joan Porteous, and Donald Jackson are the other challengers. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.